In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Venmo to Jotform. This will be useful for those who want to streamline their payment collection process using Jotform by leveraging the power of Venmo and PayPal to efficiently manage transactions. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open up the Jotform platform. If you are already familiar with Jotform, you'll feel right at home, but if you're new, don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Start by opening the specific form you want to integrate with Venmo. If you haven't set up a form, you might want to take a moment to create one that meets your needs. Once you're in the form editor, look to the sidebar on your right and find the payments section within the form builder. This is where you manage all the payment integrations available through Jotform, including Venmo. Once you are in the payments section, the next step is to select Venmo from the list. Jotform offers a variety of payment options, so make sure you scroll down to find Venmo specifically. When you choose Venmo, the form builder will guide you through the process of adding this payment method to your form. It's a straightforward process that basically involves clicking on Venmo to establish the connection for collecting payments. This will enable your form users to seamlessly make transactions through Venmo, enhancing both convenience and efficiency. It's important to note here that Jotform's Venmo integration is powered by PayPal. This partnership allows for a more robust and secure platform to handle transactions, leveraging PayPal's extensive capabilities in payment processing while keeping things simple with Venmo's user-friendly setup. So even though you're primarily using Venmo, your transactions benefit from PayPal's backend processing. By linking Venmo to your Jotform form, you can offer your users a faster and more familiar way to pay, especially if they already have a Venmo account. This integration can significantly improve the experience for users on mobile devices who prefer to use wallet-based payment options. Plus, you'll maintain all the excellent tracking and reporting features that Jotform provides, making it easier to manage and analyze your form submissions tied to financial transactions. And that's it, a brief overview of how to link Venmo to Jotform. This connection can enhance both the user experience and your ability to process payments efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more ways Jotform can simplify your workload and improve your interaction with form respondents. Thanks for watching and happy form building.